Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting straight to Device Manager. You need admin privileges, so sign into that account first. Once done, open Start, type Device Manager and press Enter, or use Win plus X, then M, which is faster. Make sure the camera is physically connected or, on some laptops, enabled in BIOS/UEFI before proceeding. This prevents false negatives later. It saves time and frustration. Now you're ready to inspect drivers and hardware listings under Imaging Devices or Cameras. You'll next locate the camera entry under Cameras, Imaging Devices, or sometimes under Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. If you spot a yellow triangle, right-click and choose Update Driver, then browse My Computer to select drivers manually or search automatically. If nothing appears, use the View menu and show Hidden Devices. Disabled or ghosted entries can be re-enabled by right-clicking and selecting Enable Device. Make sure to look for unknown devices too, because Windows can mislabel hardware in device listings. To finish, uninstall any faulty camera device entries and reboot. Windows often reinstalls a working driver on restart. If Windows generic driver still doesn't restore the camera, download and install the OEM driver from the manufacturer. That solves many hardware-specific failures. Make sure Windows privacy settings allow camera access for apps and confirm antivirus isn't blocking it. If problems persist, one key tip: try a different USB port or a known good camera to rule out hardware failure versus software configuration issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.